Hi, if you're looking for information on a product called Foolproof Cash Flow, then this video is for you. I'm not selling it, and I usually don't recommend that you buy products like this or anything else in the home business, only because home business industry are to teach you how to make money online, only because I know from personal experience you don't have to. You can make money online without spending money. You can make very, very good money online without spending money. And in this video, I'll even tell you how you can do it. This is what I've done myself. This is what I teach my students to do. And this is what I recommend you doing. Don't dig into your pockets, folks. You don't have to. I'm going to go over 3 things in this video. I'm going to talk about foolproof cash flow, how you might make money with this product. Then I'm going to talk about the process. I'm going to give like a brief overview of how money online is made. And then I'm going to tell you how you can get started today if you want for free without any spend. Foolproof Cash Flow. What is it and how would you make money online with it? Well, Foolproof Cash Flow is a product that supposedly it's a membership site. Supposedly will help you earn marketing online. Okay, and there's a lot of different ways you can do this. I prefer doing it for free. You could purchase a product like Foolproof Cash Flow. Supposedly that's going to help you. That doesn't necessarily mean it will. No matter how good the product is, all right, you're going to make money one of 2 ways with this. You're going to duplicate somebody else's results, try to copy what they supposedly are trying to teach you in the course to do, or you're going to try to sell it as an affiliate. Now, that means purchase it and then sell it and get commissions. A lot of people are marketing this. It seems to be pretty popular. I don't know why. I think this is the first time it's been released that I can find out, but there are professional marketers, professional affiliate marketers that really know what they're doing. So if you're going to try to sell this as a product, it's going to be difficult because there's a lot of competition. Okay. At the beginning of the video, I told you that I can tell you how you're going to make money, or how you could make money online for free without digging into your pockets, and that's the methods that I teach. Let me show you that. But first, let me briefly go over the process of making money online, how that works. I have a slide presentation. Let me share that with you, and then I can tell you how you can do it for free without any spend. Okay? Bear with me as I switch over here.
Now I want to briefly go over the process of how money online is made. But before I do that, what would an extra $3,000 or $4,000 or even $5,000 a month do for you and your family? I'm doing that every month. I have a $1,600 mortgage. I make that payment every month with the money I generate online. I have a $300 gas and electric payment, a $325 cell phone bill. I make all these bills from the money that I make online, and you can do the exact same thing too. You can get started tomorrow if you want. Think about that for a moment. Alright, the process of making money online is essentially the same thing, no matter what you're trying to do. If you're trying to sell an affiliate product from ClickBank or ClickSure, if you're trying to promote an MLM or a business opportunity, even if you're trying to give something away, this process is essentially the same. And it's not very complicated either. Let's say this is you. Just for a moment, this is you, and you got one goal. It's simple. You want to get from point A to point B to where that money is deposited into your bank account or is deposited into your PayPal account. Well, you need a few things in place first. Number one, you need a presentation. This is your initial web property that a prospect looks at. They come across. This is the first thing that they might see. Then you need a capture or a squeeze page, and this is what collects their email address. And you need communication in the form of email. That comes as an autoresponder, something that sends out those messages on your behalf automatically every day. And this is very, very important because 80% of our income is actually generated by those messages that go out every single day on my behalf. And then you need your offer. This could be what you're selling. This could be what you're giving away. This could be your business presentation. And then finally, you do need some training. You need some help. This is just a marketing system. In its basic form, it's a marketing system. You have 3 choices. You can purchase one that often comes with a monthly financial commitment. They're not cheap. Or you can buy all these products, these courses, and these trainings, and you can try to put one together yourself. Or you can do what I did, which I think is the best one out there, and it's completely free. I took advantage of an offer that's completely free that earns me money on the front end while it's building my business on the back end. If you choose to build another business, you're not even required to do that, and you can still earn. The marketing system that I'm talking about, you can use to build any business you want, but it lets you earn money with it in its of itself. I earn an average of $2 for everybody that comes through my marketing system, and that equates to about a little over $100 a day. This is a completely free turnkey marketing system that provides you with your capture pages, your sales funnel, your email autoresponder. And the cool thing about this is you're not compensated. You don't make money by people joining you and spending money. That's why this works so well. You're compensated by major corporations that sponsor us. I make money either way, a little over $100 a day, and you can use it as well. This is completely free. It's free to join. There's no monthly fees or setup fees, but more importantly, there's no upsells involved with this. This is not something that you get involved with, and then you find out that you have to buy something else, and then you're nickel and dime for product by product after product. That's not what this is. This is completely free today. It's completely free tomorrow. This is not an MLM. There's no cold calling or recruiting or chasing friends and families. That's not how you're compensated. All you have to do is give it away, and we show you how to give it away with free marketing methods just like I'm doing right now. What you can expect reasonably is you can expect to be making $100 to $200 a day within 4 to 8 months. After about 6 months, we were making $100 a day, and my income is going up and up and up. In fact, every single month, I've made more money than I did the previous month, and at the same time, I'm building my primary business opportunity. So if you're interested in building a business, if that's what you choose to do, or if you're just interested in making money online, what you need to do now is click the link in the description below or go to itsmypaydaytoday.com. I'll take you over and show you my first month. I have proof where I earned a little under $1,000 my first month, and I can show you a little bit more about the system. My contact information is below too. I'm very, very passionate about helping people that become involved with me because I know what it's like to need something like this to work. When your back is against the wall and you need to make money, I lost a 6-figure income, and I spent a year and a half trying to earn online, and $15,000 to boot, and I didn't earn a dime. So the ironic thing is I'm making very, very good money while I'm building a business now, and I did it with a free system, and you could take advantage of the exact same system. Contact me if you need help. I'm looking forward to connecting with you and helping you start your business online the right way, and this without digging into your pocket. Okay, without the monthly financial commitment that comes with so many of these programs. Folks, go ahead and click the link right now. Go to www.itsmypaydaytoday.com. Take care, have a great day, and God bless.